Hello friend, welcome to Digital Study, your true value sir. Today we will discuss the current affairs with static GK of 10th June. So friend, before starting this, to get PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, we will go to the questions. Friend, we will go to the first question of today. Which city performed top to the global liability ranking? So this year, the capital of New Zealand, that is Auckland, has came top under this ranking. So friend, some information about this. Among top 10 cities of the Economist Intelligence Unit, that is EIU, annual global liability, Auckland, the capital of New Zealand, has came first. So friend, the 10 cities have risen to the top of the ranking this year that have taken strength measure to contain the pandemic, that is COVID-19. So friend, we will go to the second question. Recently, who has appointed as a new election commissioner of India? So recently, a new election commissioner has been appointed. The name of him is Anup Chandra Pandey, that is option A. He will be joining as one of the two election commissioners. So in India, there are one chief election commissioner and two election commissioner. And Anup Kumar Pandey will be one election commissioner among two. The position became vacant in April 2021 when Sushil Chandra appointed as the chief election commissioner. So in April 2021, Sushil Chandra, a election commissioner, has become the chief election commissioner, and from that day this post has become vacant. So friend, we will go to the third question of the day. India's GDP has been expected to go at what percent as per the World Bank report? So as per the World Bank report, Indian GDP has go to at 8.33%. Very important. Find some information about this. World Bank has forecasted India's GDP growth for financial year 2021-22 to be 8.3% if it is supported by various plans of Indian government. The full form of GDP, we all know that gross domestic product. It is the total calculation of the product produced in a region. So friend, we will go to the fourth question. Surakshit Ham Surakshit Tum Abhijan is launched by whom? Surakshit Ham Surakshit Tum Abhijan is launched by option C, Niti Aayog. So recently Niti Aayog has launched this Abhijan. The Niti Aayog and the Primal Foundation launched this Abhijan to support the district administration in providing home care support to COVID-19. Very important. So it is launched to provide support in COVID-19. It has been launched by 112 districts. So it has been launched in 112 districts all around the India. So open a new batch for the aspirant of West Bengal Police Constable and SI, and with this Kolkata Police has started in this channel. This class will start today at 11 AM. The person who are interested for this batch, please join this. So friend, we will go to the fifth question. Which state or union territory village first achieves 100% vaccination? So the first village which achieved 100% vaccination is situated in option D, Jammu and Kashmir. So friends, some additional information about this. Jammu and Kashmir OM village in Bandipora district has become the first village to achieve 100% vaccination in its adults. So friend, we will go to the sixth question of the day. 31 edition of corporate patrolling is being conducted between which countries? So 31 edition of corporate patrolling is being conducted between option B, India and Thailand. Very important question. India and Thailand coordinated patrolling, that is India-Thai corporate, is done between Royal Thai Navy and Indian Navy. Very important. Indian naval ship, that is Sarayu, which is indigenously made, and Thailand ship Krabi has been participating in this patrolling. Very important. So friend, we will go to the seventh question. Which country recently dropped Chinese brands as its official kit sponsor for Tokyo Olympic? So recently, option A, India drops China as its official sponsor for Tokyo Olympic. Very important. Indian Olympic Association, that is IOA, decided that the country's athlete will wear unbranded apparel during Tokyo Olympic. Very important. So then we will go to the eighth and last question of the day. Which country recently builds its first fully stealth warship? So recently a warship that is made by fully stealth is made by Russia. So when it is expected to be armed with cruise missile and anti-aircraft missile and artillery. The president of Russia is Vladimir Putin. Very important. So when we will go to those questions which I provided you yesterday. Who has launched its short film called Hisab Ki Kitab? So the short film is launched by Anurag Thakur. Very important. The short film is in duration of 5 minutes. So when we will go to the second question. Who is present Chief Minister of Assam? Present Chief Minister of Assam is Himant Biswa Sarma. Very important. And the third question, UNTAP scheme is launched in which state or union territory? So recently this is launched by Ladakh. Very important. So then 3 questions of the day which you will answer through comment. Recently, which footballer has become the second highest active international goal scorer? And second question, what is the name of the capital of Myanmar? And third question, recently who has become the new president of UN General Assembly? Very important. So friend, that's all for today. Please like this video, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel and all notification to get a reminder of all these videos. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, that's all for today. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.